This video explains how to buy shares of Aegon Ltd, ticker AEG, a company operating in insurance, pensions, and asset management. Aegon trades on Nasdaq, and this is an educational overview, not investment advice. To buy shares, you need a broker. I will use eToro as an example to show the process. After signing up, you must verify your account with an identity document and add funds before placing a trade. Use the platform search bar and enter the ticker AEG to find Aegon Ltd. Select the listing that matches the Nasdaq ticker to ensure you have the correct stock. On the stock page, check the basic company profile and the price chart to confirm you are on the right listing. Verify the company name and the Nasdaq ticker before proceeding. To invest, click Buy, choose the amount you want to invest, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may execute when it reopens, and if you lack sufficient funds, the platform will request a deposit before confirming. Once the order fills, your new position will appear in your portfolio. For the eToro example, check the link in the description.